Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we'll see the procedure and performance of H. pylori Antigen Rapid Test Kit. To understand the procedure, in this video, we are using the kit manufactured by Anamol Laboratories Private Limited. First, let's have a look at the kit components. The kit contains a pouch that contains the test device, the buffer solution for taking the sample, and the instructions for use. We recommend all the users to read the instructions for use thoroughly before using the test. Apart from this, you may require additional items such as buffer tube, in which 2 ml of buffer needs to be added and then sample needs to be mixed in this tube, and stopwatch. As per the procedure of the kit, which is mentioned in the instructions for use, we need to bring the pouch to room temperature before using the test, and then we need to add 2 ml of buffer saline into this type of sample collection tube. Once we add 2 ml of buffer, then we need to take the stool sample using the applicator, and then we need to mix the stool sample with the buffer thoroughly. Once the sample is mixed for about 8 to 10 minutes, then we need to add 2 drops of this solution into the reaction tube to perform the test. Now we will see exactly how the test is performed. To perform the test, tear the pouch and remove the test device and place it on a clean and dry surface. For this video, we have already prepared the sample by adding stool into the buffer solution, and we have kept it ready by incubating for 10 minutes. Now in this, we need to add 2 drops of sample into the sample well. As you may see, the reaction has already started and the sample has started to flow from the sample well to the other end of the cassette. Now we need to wait for 15 minutes. We need to wait for 15 minutes for the incubation. Now once the reaction is complete after 15 minutes, you can see that a clear-cut line has been developed in the cassette. There is a C which is written in the cassette and T which is written in the cassette. C stands for control line and T stands for test line. So as you can clearly see that there is a clear and visible line or band at the C region, and there is no clear and visible band at the T region. This indicates that once the control line is positive, the test which is performed is properly performed. And when there is no line in the test region, which means that the sample is negative for H. pylori antigen. We hope that this video has been helpful for you. Thank you.